Alright, cutting firewood this afternoon. Let's have a look. This is what I'm cutting here. I don't think I'm going to reach this one, but oh well. But you can see what is done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one's 9, but it's not all the way through. So we'll call that 8 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 64 rounds of wood. So 8 cuts through 8 pieces of wood, not including this one, which makes 9, but it's not done. It's 64 pieces of wood, and that took 2.5 minutes to cut those. So I'm happy with it.